Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Welcome to the International English Language Testing System. This is Sani Mel, your examiner. The examiner nom is 101701 and the examinee nom is 010502. I'll conduct the speaking test from practice audience. The speaking session has three parts. I'll instruct you for each of the sections. Okay?
Okay,
May I see your ID?
here it is.
Thank you. 106. So, what's your full name?
My full name is Shatabdi Devshormi. You can call me by Shatabdi.
Shatabdi, for part one, I'll ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic.
Okay.
Do you work or study?
Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree. My major is fisheries, so I am a student now.
Okay. Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house. It is an old house built by my father, and we have four big rooms, uh, a kitchen, a dining room, and a big washroom.
Okay. So, who do you live with?
I live with my family. My family consists four members, my parents and my sibling.
Okay. What's your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is my bedroom because in my bedroom I do whatever I like. I can be on myself and I can listen to music in loud.
Okay. So, what do you like to do to relax?
I usually watch movies for relax my mind. Also, my parents do gardening. I can try to help them in gardening or in house chores.
Okay. Let's talk about your daily routine. What is your typical morning routine?
My typical morning routine is I wake up late at morning. I know it is a bit bad habit, but uh, then after waking up, I prepares my breakfast and enjoy the breakfast. After that, I get ready for going to college or in university.
What would you like to change about it?
If I had to change anything, I would love to change my sleeping habits because I sleep late at night and wakes up late in the morning. So if I had any chance to change anything, I would change. I would try to wake up early and enjoy the morning fresh air.
Do you think breakfast is important?
Yes, breakfast is crucial because after a morning breakfast, we begins our day and we keep working or studying for the whole day. So breakfast keeps us full and it gives us energy for the day.
What is the best thing about your morning routine at the weekends?
At the weekends, I usually wakes up late. Then I relaxedly make my breakfast. I used to make some unique recipes in the weekends, and I watch movies when I take my breakfast.
Okay. Do you love to cook?
Not really. My mom usually cooks for me, but I love to cook anything any unique items I see on internet and some light snacks for me.
That is the end of speaking part one. Now we will move on speaking part two in this section. I'll show you a cue card. You will have 1 minute to think about the answers. So within this 1 minute, you can make some notes as well. You will be given 1 to 2 minutes to talk. I'll tell you when to start, when to stop. Is it clear? So here is the note paper and pen. And your cue topic is describe a typical day at work or college or university. So 1 minute preparation time begins now. okay there. Please start your speaking.
Okay. Um, a typical day at my university starts with lectures, but I find it quite boring because in the morning we should listen the academic lectures that are not very much interesting to me. But after the lectures, we do some assignments or practicals with our classmates. After the lunch break, we it is time for the self study sessions. We try to group study with my. I try to group study with my friends and my classmates. We do some assignments and talk about our practical projects, practical assignments, things like that. And my favorite part of the day is chit chat with my friends because we when we go to college 3 to 4 times in a week. So we after some break we gossip about our recent activities, our study, and it is my favorite part. We got to know about each other's progress of the study and their recent life updates and this. And if I had to change anything about this routine, I would love to change the morning lectures because as I usually wake up late, so for lectures I would wake up early in the morning. So I think if I would change anything, I would change the lecture time in the morning.
Okay, I'll stop it there. Give me the filter. Put this paper actually. Thank you. Okay, let's continue with speaking part 3 related with your response. What is the attitude towards arriving late in your country?
Arriving late is a lack of punctuality, and in my country, people are usually uh, uh, going late in any social gatherings or wedding party like that. But in professional settings like meetings or interviews or lectures, it is uh, crucial for not going late and be punctual and go on time.
When is it very important to be on time?
Um, it is important for interviews, work times like offices or universities. It is in professional settings. It is important to uh, go on time. But in other than that, it will be okay if we go in some late.
How can people make sure that they're never late?
Um, um, they can make sure by setting an alarm before their time to be present on the office or meetings, and they can make their they can decide their clothes or their essential items before the day, and for example, I myself always being late on anything. So I try to keep my clothes and my bag ready before the night. That's how I think I can be on time.
Do you think people get enough choice in their daily routine?
I don't think people have enough choice in their daily routines. Other than that, they're working at home. The people who works outside the home, like office or student who went to university for studies, they have to maintain a daily routine. Um, and the people who stays at home, they can change the routines according to their preferences and like that.
How do you think people's routines will change in the future?
Um, in the future, I think technology and AI will replace some easy works. So for people who are now busy with some house chores or projects, assignments, these things will be easy with the help of AI in the future. So that's how I think they adjust their routines in the future.
That is the end of your speaking portion. You'll get your marks within 1 to 2 days on our YouTube channel. And it's your thanks for coming back for now.
Okay.
Do you need any feedback?
পার্ট থ্রি তো একদম কিছু করতে পারছি না।
Okay, part 3 overall idea গুলো ভালো ছিল। হুম? মাঝে মাঝে একটু স্টাক হয়েছেন আইডিয়ার জন্য, যার জন্য কিছুটা মান নিয়ে ইস্যু হয়েছে। বাট ওভারঅল এগুলো কিছু এফেক্ট করবে না আপনার ডিজায়ার্স বলে। যদি আর একটুখানি কন্টিনিউ যদি স্পিকিং করেন ডেইলি, আপনার কিন্তু স্পিকিং লেভেল ভালো হয়ে যাবে। রিল্যাক্সে আপনি আনসার দিচ্ছেন, রিল্যাক্সে থাকবেন। চেষ্টা করবেন যেন মামলিংটা না হয়।
এটাই বেশি হয়।
পজ একটুখানি যায়, একটুখানি গেলে তো সমস্যা নেই। এমন পজ দিব না যাতে পুরো সেন্টেন্সে চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। ঠিক আছে? তো ওই পজে যেন আমার মামলিংটা দূর হয়ে যায়, এটা চেষ্টা করবেন। তাহলে ভালো হবে আর কি। আর একটা জায়গায় দেখলাম ওল্ড বিল্ডিং বলেছেন না আপনি থাকেন, ওখানে এন ইউএস করা উচিত ছিল। এন্ড ওল্ড বিল্ডিং, আচ্ছা ওকে। আর ফর রিল্যাক্স বলেছেন, ফর রিল্যাক্সেশন যদি বলতেন তাহলে বেটার হতো ওই জায়গায়। আর ইজ ওয়েক আপ বলেছেন না, এখানে ইজ ওয়েকিং আপ যদি বলতেন লেটলি তখন বেটার হতো ওই জায়গায়। আর আপনার এক্সপ্লেনেশন গুলো ছিল খুব সুন্দর, ক্লিয়ার ছিল রেসপন্সটা, রিল্যাক্সে আনসার দিয়েছেন, লেক্সিক্যাল গুলো ভালো ইউজ করেছেন। তো আর লিসেনের সাথে হলে টু ইউজ করেন, এটা বেটার হয় আপনার জন্য। লিসেন টু, I use
Listen to
I
lectures মনে বলছি
listen
না।
to the lectures. Okay, so we got to know বলার চেয়ে যেহেতু প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে বলতেছি গেট টু নো,
Get to know.
ওইটা বললে বেটার হতো। আর প্রথম অবস্থায় যখন বলেছেন তখন একটু আমি কনফিউজ ছিলাম যে বলতে কাদেরকে মেনশন করতেছেন।
মানে ক্লাসমেট।
তো আগে আমাদের নামটা বলে তারপর প্রনাউনগুলো ইউজ করতে পারি। সি বলার আগে ওই পার্সনের নামটা যদি আমরা বলি তাহলে বেটার হয়। মানে যত প্রিসাইজলি ডিসক্রাইব করতে পারবেন স্পিকিং, অত প্রিসাইজলি আপনি মার্ক করবেন। ঠিক আছে না? ওর আপনার রেঞ্জ ভালো, জাস্ট টুকটাক কিছু প্র্যাকটিস দরকার, দ্যাটস ইট।
এখন মানে আমার কত আসতে পারে?
7 এর কাছাকাছি থাকবে।
অনেক ভুল হয়েছে আমার, 70 আসবে।
এই যেগুলো টুকটাক দেখে সেগুলো আপনার উচ্চ স্তরের ভুলগুলো।
গ্রামাটিক্যাল ভুল আছে একটু।
ওকে, সামথিং থাকবে। নেটিভরা কি বলবো
মানে আমি প্র্যাকটিস করবো এখন, মানে ফ্লুয়েন্সি।
আপনি যে লেভেলে আছেন ওই লেভেলে থাকবেন, বাট এগুলো যেন আসে, এটা চেষ্টা করবেন।
মামলিংটা না
মামলিং
হয়।
দরকার।